Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was jailed for child abuse. Arrested for child abuse, Hayward. Criminal attorney, Hayward. Child abuse, Hayward. Let's see here. My husband was arrested for hitting our 16-year-old daughter with a large spoon. She arrived late from a party with friends. Also, my daughter now says that he said sexual things to her. Okay, well, let's back up about it. Let's talk about that. Okay, if he just stated, you're, probably having sex with somebody or this and that, no problem. That's perfectly legal. You could always talk to your kids about the birds and the bees, perfectly legal. What you can't do is you can't show a minor pornography. You can't tell a minor that you're going to do sexual things to her or him. That you can't do. Or you can't solicit a minor for sex. That you can't do. So aside from telling a minor that you're going to do something sexual to him or her, or if you're going to show him or her pornography, then it's perfectly legal to have a conversation about something sexual. Just don't be saying that you're going to do it to them, or that you're soliciting them or showing them pornography. Now, regarding the child abuse, hitting somebody with a spoon, your own child, is a no-no. Here in the state of California, that's child abuse. This would be codified under Penal Code Section 273A, parentheses A, which carries up to 6-year state prison, cruelty to children. Here in the state of California, you can. Corporal punishment is legal, but with an open hand. And the punishment has to be reasonable to the infraction that the minor committed. You can't be leaving welts, bruises, cuts, scratches. That's a no-no. You can't do that. You can still hit your kids. Perfectly legal. Not for fun. You can still hit your kids as long as they did something bad. Perfectly legal. Open hand. Please don't use this. No objects. No spoons. None of that stuff. Otherwise, you're going to be looking at a 273A, parentheses A, which carries up to 6 years state prison. And if the kid has marks, and there could be a grave bodily injury clause there, which would increase the potential punishment by another 3 years. Just don't do it. If your kid upsets you, you can hit them, open hand. Just keep it that way. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was arrested for DUI and domestic violence. Child abuse attorney, Hayward. Criminal attorney, Hayward. Arrested for child abuse, Hayward.